Here's a video from downtown Houston. No, this is not a raging river. This is a street, and this is water that is coming out of our parking lot at the TV station. It is just amazing to see the volume of water coming all the way down the street. So many people are suffering tonight from this incredible flood. The National Weather Service is calling it a catastrophic flood advisory. Catastrophic because the water is 10 feet over the banks of some area creeks and bayous, leading to, unfortunately, many homes being underwater with severe flooding for most of the first level, forcing some people to seek shelter in their attic as a shelter of last resort. We've actually had to tell people on the news today that if they have to face that unfortunate situation and they can't swim, assuming the water is not flowing like this, if the water's still and they can't swim to another location, to bring an axe with them so that they may cut a hole in the roof should the water rise to the floor level of the attic. It's reminiscent of Hurricane Katrina in 2005 in the lower Ninth Ward when the levees broke. Well, the water's rising a little bit more slowly in this situation because this wasn't a function of the levees breaking. It was a function of nearly 20 inches of water falling in a very short amount of time.